Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over SHIBA INU. So SHIB right now is trading at 0.00001789. I'm just going to reference the numbers itself instead of all of the zeros to make it a little bit easier. But taking a quick look at the chart here, I'm going to start with the RSI itself. It's at 51%. This is kind of midpoint, very neutral momentum. However, if we do see a crossover where we see the RSI go above the signal line, it is going to have a very nice pullback in an uptrend scenario. Now, we did close below the 20 moving average. Again, this is a bearish signal that we should also keep in mind here. We don't really see any, pullbacks on an upside. Momentum itself until we can actually come down to 40%. It has seemed 40 around 50 depending on where the price is. So observing the price here closer to 61% of our fib, we could potentially see that nice pullback coming up to an area of resistance here. But let's quickly take a look at our volume profile because this is going to show us the amount of trades, but most importantly, where the price point is at. So we can see a whole bunch of clusters here. Once the price moves away from that volume cluster, it is going to move to the next area of clusters. So we can see the price point here is at the very high of 1803 down to the area of 1713. If we do see a pullback in an upwards direction, the resistance level is going to be our 20 moving average at 1812 itself. But most importantly, again, moving away from that cluster, we are going to come into the 1939. Quickly taking a look as well with the moving averages, we've got the 20 and the 50 here. We can see as well that the volume or the space in between is narrow. It's not increasing. So this does give us another sign here that the price is most likely going to go in a sideways action. So this here is called consolidation whenever we see a price point moving from an area of resistance down to an area of support. And it does this side action here is gives us two things. It can either be a pause in the current trend or it could be a complete reversal. It always depends on how much we're tracking and how much we are retesting the area of resistance and how much we are retesting an area of support here. So we are again well above our 50 moving average. So it could possibly be a pause in the overall trend. This case is the uptrend. So long as we keep retesting the area of resistance at 1939. Now, the volume itself is very, very low. So a probable retest of the resistance level is probably less likely. It's most likely going to come down to an area of retest of our support. And the support here, I want you guys to watch if you are watching SHIB to see if we are going to be breaking the 1699. If we do break and close below that, this continuation is no longer in play anymore. It is going to be an overall bear market. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for watching and listening to me blabbing on. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.